I've ordered some new shim for the hood of my 73 Bronco. But since it's the 4th of July, I probably won't get them in time, so I've traced them off here on this piece of metal. I'm gonna make me for it. This piece of metal is exactly the same thickness as this, so I'm gonna
Oh, it is same thickness?
Same thickness.
Okay.
So I'm gonna cut the new ones out.
Alrighty. What you got? Oh, you got your handy dandy DeWalt grinder right there.
Yep.
Sponsored by DeWalt. Not really. They told what they did. I probably should have on safety glasses.
Two down.
You definitely want to have on your proper PPE for these kind of tasks.
Face shield,
Got your face shield,
gloves,
standardized gloves.
and earplugs for the noise.
Don't forget your earplugs. And hold up, is prescribed glasses. That's what I'm talking about right
From
there.
Dollar General.
From Dollar General. Whatever happened to the Dollar General girls? Oh, God, that one got me. Ooh.
Now, I gotta cut a little notch out of it.
Okay, cut a little notch right there. I ain't live or anything. We're just videoing. I may just post it.
They love that kind of stuff.
Yeah, they love it. Mm-hmm. They eat it up. Nom, 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 nom.
Way back in my scrap bin, don't never throw away no scrap bin.
No, hey, not even gonna lie. We saw a video one time. I'm not even messing with you. These guys was making fun of, oh, Dad and Grandpa's got that one piece of board that, you know, is the perfect length. They've been they knew they were gonna need it 35 years ago, and then you need it 35 years later,
I'm gonna come
and
over
they
here
have
grind
it.
off.
This guy right here, as you can tell with all the memorabilia and stuff, he has lumber piles like that, metal piles, and yeah, he's like, oh, this one right here, we're gonna need it. Oh, this is precision grinder. He's like, yeah, we're gonna need it right there. And that, folks, is how not to use a grinder. I am so glad I got that on camera. Woo!
Let me get something.